Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and some vlogs in between. But today we are going to be getting into this makeup look, and I created this look using some brand new products that I got from Sephora for the sale and some other goodies that I have, that I haven't touched in a long time. So if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then please stay tuned. We're actually in my bathroom, so this is my first time filming in the bathroom. I hope the echo isn't too bad. The only reason we're in my bathroom is because I thought the lighting would be good in here. There's like 3 different kind of lights going on, so I thought maybe this would be a good thing to try out. So today we are going to be getting into a fall time look, kind of like a holiday glam, kind of something for maybe Thanksgiving, maybe the holidays, maybe we go into some parties or something like that. So this look is going to be hopefully a little bit of a glam look, a modern glam look, a minimal glam look. I'm gonna try not to be natural. That's the goal, not to be natural. Let's get into it. I went shopping in my stash of makeup, so I literally grabbed a little bit of everything. I got some stuff from the Sephora sale, so I'm actually going to share with you guys some of the stuff because we're going to use it today. But I got a few things here and there, so we're going to go ahead and try to use some newer products. So I'm going to prime with the same primer that I always use. I really want this to be a quick video. I don't want this to be a 20-30 minute video. So y'all already know how I feel about this Milk Hydro Grip, so we don't even have to go there. Wow, y'all. My brows look fire. I don't know why, but they look so bomb. Look, watch when I edit this video. I'm gonna be like, girl, no, they don't. But we got the brows done. They look amazing, and I don't really do anything different. I say this every time, but they just come out differently. But I will go ahead and link some videos of some brow routines down below because it's pretty much the same process, honestly. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with our eyes because we do want this to be somewhat of a glam look. So I feel like we're gonna have fallout, so let's just go ahead and let's get into our eyes first. So I have some concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and take some P. Louise Eye Base. I'm just gonna add that to the back of my hand, and I'm gonna mix the 2 of these. So that way I'm just lightening my concealer just a little bit, and I'm gonna place this all over my eyelids. So I bought a few different palettes to the party, okay? We have the brand new Natasha Denona Zendo palette. This is the one from the BoxyCharm that I did. We also have the Cup of Noodles in the Hip Dot from the unboxing I did for this. I haven't really used it since then, so I thought, why not bring this? I don't know if we're gonna use it, but I bought it. And I also bought the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker palette. If we don't use this for our eyes, we'll definitely use some of the colors for our face. But we're probably gonna use a little bit of all of them just to help execute this, nice fall party festive look. So first we're gonna go into the Cup of Noodles palette, and I'm gonna go into Diced Carrot, and I'm gonna work this into the entire crease. This was the palette that I gave away for one of my giveaways, and it was the entire box. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go ahead and check it out, and you guys will see my first impressions of the box and everything it came with. It was one of those palettes when everybody was just doing a palette, Cup of Noodles got in on it, but it was definitely an iconic and nostalgic box. And for this look, I definitely felt like it would come through because the colors of these are just these are fall vibes in my opinion. What do you guys think? So I went ahead to blend the orange in my crease, and I made sure to blend the edges, girl. Blend the edges as much as you think that it might wear away all the color. It will not, I promise you. And that is the only reason why you might think my makeup might come out better, is because I'm blending, sis. Blend for your life, okay? Blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a Vigar from the Zendo palette. Pretty much at the base of where Diced Carrot is where we're gonna go ahead and lay our kind of like a pencil brush, but a little bit fluffy, but it's definitely dense. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place Vigar. And we're just gonna tap it in there. And we are gonna blend this out. Right now we're just really placing the color so that way we can build it up. So now we're gonna take a shader brush and we're gonna go ahead and just blend out this Vigar color so that way it's not just there. It's it's got a purpose, and it's blending into Orange Carrot. And don't worry, we are gonna go back into Orange Carrot after we're done blending Vigar. We're gonna add that intensity back into that color. Just kind of deepened Diced Carrot just a little bit and really gave it a little bit more of a gradient kind of going on right there. You see that? You see it. So I'm making a TikTok at the same time. I have my camera open and I do the left side on camera and then I do the regular side on video. So that way there's content for the video, but then there's different angles for the actual reels. So I'm gonna go ahead. You just need like a few seconds because it's a reel. It doesn't have to be that long. And then you just, blend for real off of that camera. So with the shader brush, I'm actually gonna go back into Vigar and I am going to just add a little bit more to that lower base and blend at the same time. Now that we've actually established where it's going, we'll just keep following that and intensifying it. So now that we've blended that, we're gonna go back into Diced Carrot and we're going to bring back some of that orange. So with an angled brush, I'm gonna go in with Teriyaki in the outer corner where Zygar ended. We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna add a little definition there. And I'm using the angled side as the pointer for like the wing, and I'm just going inwards and just slightly bringing that forward. Just like that. It kind of looks a little messy, but that's what we're going for right now. We're gonna blend it out, of course. And with that shader brush that we used to blend Vigar, we're gonna go ahead and just go over the edges of Teriyaki. With the little bit of concealer left on the back of my hand, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of my P. Louise base. The flat brush, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to take some of that P. Louise eye base and we are going to cut the crease. So I'm gonna go up really, really close. And I'm gonna just start stamping away, creating a line. Whatever is easy for you, girl, do that. And then back into the Cup of Noodles palette, I'm gonna take Ramen Noodle, which is like a peachy nude kind of color, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just pack this on top. So I'm taking the shader brush and I'm just going over the line, and then I'm gonna go in with that angle brush that I use for teriyaki and touch that up as well. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use this Sephora eyeliner. If you saw my Sephora haul, then you would have seen this. This is one of the two that I purchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create an extra defined wing right underneath or on top of where we cut the crease. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Actually, what if I do a second wing? Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. I like that. It'd be like a double wing. Ooh, what if I put some glitter? Look, sounds like I'm doing too much, but what if I put some glitter in between that? Cute. That is very cute. I like that. So I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty Confident Energy and I'm gonna take the gold color, which is called Strong. And I'm gonna go ahead on a very fine angled brush. I'm gonna take this color and I'm going to go inside of where we did the double like wing. And I'm going to place this color inside. It did somewhat come outside of the liner, but I think that is okay. If anything, I think I could just like reline it. And I love this palette because you don't need anything to go with these colors. Like they're just so freaking pigmented. I love it. I'm gonna use my Clinique Stay Matte today for my foundation, and this one is in the shade Golden. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Lit All Over, and this one is in the shade number 3. So I did go ahead and swap it out. So I'm gonna mix it with my foundation because I did do a little bit more research after using it. It did say that it's actually like a blurring kind of a product. So it's supposed to help blur the pores or at least make them look smaller as you use it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this today in conjunction with a foundation instead of using it before. And this color might not be the best color for me right now because I am not tan or like gotten really any sun as of late. So it does look a little bit dark, but I think we'll be okay because I'm gonna use a good amount of concealer with this and we're gonna just brighten it up in that way. But this is one of my favorite foundations by Clinique. If you guys didn't know, I used to work at Clinique and I did a video about like pretty much my experience working there and some of my favorite products from Clinique. So I'll go ahead and make sure to link that below. But this, oh my gosh, this brush. So you guys saw that I did get the Rare Beauty concealer, and so I'm gonna go ahead and use that today for this look. I do think I might actually be adding in another color just to give it a little bit more like oomph, I guess you could say. But this Doppler, you guys, is so nice. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like angled. So as I'm like getting underneath my eyes and like really cleaning up my wings here, this is just like fitting so nicely in those little areas. So I went ahead to do all of my powders, my contour, my highlight, setting, and I did want to come back and do a step with you guys because I do like doing this step when I have either on a foundation that's too dark or if I just want a brighter under eye area. So I have this Soft Focus powder by Black Radiance. This is an amazing powder. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna just swirl into this Black Radiance powder, and I'm going to press this in right underneath my eye, and I'm gonna come over to my nose. This is a pressed powder. You can swirl and then like, you know, use a brush for this, but for what I'm going for, you definitely need to press it in. This, in my opinion, is a great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I like the powder. I have the mini version. It's very nice, but I do feel like it kind of does the same thing as this. So if you want something that's maybe a little bit more budget friendly, I would definitely check out the Black Radiance. So I did go ahead and use my Rare Beauty blush Enjoy, but I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with Taj Mahal by NARS. This is a very nice sheeny orange shiny kind of blush, and I think this will just complement this look just that much more. And since it's a holiday look, you know, a little bit of glow doesn't hurt, especially because we're not going to use any actual powder highlight. We're just going to go ahead and just kind of have a natural glow coming from this blush. A lot of today's looks don't really call for a lot of highlighters, so a blush that has a little bit of a shine or shimmer to it is always going to be that much more amazing for, like, you know, the modern looks that we've been doing. Do need to highlight my nose. So I'm gonna go into the Sunstalker palette. I'm gonna take Fat Glass and I'm gonna take this and just highlight my nose just a little bit. And if you would like, you could definitely go ahead and highlight the brow bone. I'm gonna use my NYX brow glue to go ahead and just set my brows into place. Should have did this a long time ago, but I forgot. So we're gonna do it now. First, we're gonna set with the MAC Fix Plus because this just gets all of the powders away. It just helps blend everything together. One of the new items that I got during the Sephora sale is the Patrick Star One Size Until Dawn Setting Spray. So this is a mattifying and waterproof setting spray. So I grabbed this, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to set our face with this. We're not really going anywhere, but we are gonna go ahead and set and make sure everything is extra secure. It's so light, like it's so light and misty that it makes you OD because you really think like, oh, I need to set it, but apparently it's set. I'm gonna finish out the bottom of my lash line. We're gonna go back into the Zendo palette. We're gonna take Vigar, and then we're gonna go ahead and just get really close to our lower lash line, and we're going to blend this color in. The Cup of Noodle palette, and we're going to take Diced Carrot, and we're just going to blend out the bottom of Zygar, similar to how we did the crease with Diced Carrot, and then we put Zygar in the actual crease. We're gonna kind of do the same thing, but reversed here. So I did go ahead and grab some lashes from House of Lashes. I don't think this has a name. It just says Iconic Light, and then it says the Light Collection. So maybe it's Iconic Light. Maybe those are the lashes. Alright guys, and here is the finished look. I really like how this look turned out. I really think I did something with this little graphic eyeliner here. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you guys like this look, if you guys will recreate this look. I hope this is a nice, fun, festive holiday look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the new stuff that I got from Sephora. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every Tuesday and Friday. But if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell and you will sis get notified. You'll know every time I post a video. But make sure to also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Those will all be linked down below, so that way you can easily click and follow so you have no excuses. And I know I mentioned that we're going to be getting ready to do our 600 subscriber giveaway, and we are. So I don't think we're close enough yet for me to announce it. So please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, share this with a friend. Make sure they're subscribed because you guys both could win, or maybe one of y'all, but maybe, you know, who knows. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. I enjoyed spending this time with y'all. Make sure to check out the reel on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Mm-hmm.